Can I get a visit visa if I came to the U.S. and overstayed before? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States. I have our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. My people, I want you to understand that a visit visa is a gift to you from the United States. And when you receive that gift from the United States, you can't go against your promises that you made to receive that gift. No one is entitled to a visit visa to the United States. There is no law that says the U.S. Embassy or consulate has to give you a visit visa to the United States. So if you are one of the people who was lucky enough to get a visit visa to the United States, you should leave on time. And if you didn't leave on time, then most likely the next time that you apply for a visit visa, they are going to deny you. And people call me all the time and they're surprised, Jim, why did my new visit visa get denied? And I say, well, tell me about your history. Have you ever been to the United States before? Oh yes, I came to the United States. Yeah, when did you come? Oh, I came back in 2017. And how long did you stay? Oh, I stayed about 8 or 9 months. Well, weren't you supposed to leave after 6 months? Yeah, I was supposed to leave, but I just decided to hang out. Well, guess what? That means you didn't follow the terms of your visa. You didn't do what you promised to do. You made a promise when you signed the DS-160 electronically, when you appeared to get your visa, when you entered the United States, that you would leave on time. So what in the hell do you think they're going to do when you apply again? Listen, I know people who are related to people who violated their visit visa, who maybe applied for asylum or got married to a U.S. citizen. And the State Department holds that against them. So what do you think they're going to do if you're the one who overstayed your visa? So if you've ever been in deportation proceedings, if you've ever had an order and you did your time outside the United States, the idea that you're going to get a new visit visa when you didn't follow the rules last time, who you fooling? Who you fooling? And you sure as heck don't get mad. You shouldn't be expecting such a thing. They're not going to give you a visit visa if you didn't follow the terms of your visit visa or your student visa or whatever other non-immigrant visa you had before. The simple fact is most visit visas are denied, and they're sure as hell denied for people who came to the United States before, didn't follow the law, didn't leave on time, and then had the nerve to expect to get another visit visa. Why do you think they were going to give you another visit visa? You didn't do what you said you were going to do. In their minds, you're a liar. I'm not saying you're a liar, but they think you're a liar. And they think, why in the hell are we going to give this person another visit visa when they didn't follow the rules last time? That's how they think. That's how they think. That's how they do. They're not gonna bend over backwards to say, oh yeah, come on back. I mean, I had some guy on the Immigration Answer Show the other day, and he was absolutely floored that he couldn't get another visit visa in the United States. And he was throwing out all these other ideas on ways he was gonna come to the United States. I was like, my brother, you got deported. And you did do your time outside the United States, but why in the hell are they gonna give you another visa? Why are they gonna give you another visa? You didn't follow the rules. And I don't usually side with USCIS, I don't usually side with the State Department, but on this one I can sort of understand their philosophy. I can sort of understand why they're saying, look, we have lots of people from your country asking for a visit visa. I got this guy over here who didn't follow the rules, who didn't leave on time, who didn't do what he said he would do, and I have this nice lady who looks like she's gonna come back, looks like she has every intention of just going to visit to see her daughter, and she's gonna come back in a few weeks. I'm much more likely to give her a visit visa than I am to this guy who overstayed. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So one of the great things about practicing immigration law is that we don't do visit visas. We don't handle visit visas. And the reason I make these videos about visit visas is so that you can learn what you need to learn to do the visit visa yourself. And the point of this video is to make sure that you understand that if you get that visit visa, you leave on time. I don't care if it's COVID. I don't care what's going on. You get out of here on time. And that's going to set you up for being able to come back to the United States, and most importantly, on being able to get a new visa when the time comes when your old visa expires. I'm just trying to set you up for success, not trying to be mean, not trying to talk down to anybody, just want you to understand what it is that we're talking about here. What it is that we're talking about when you're trying to get a follow-up visit visa. That's what we're talking about. The chances of you getting a follow-up visit visa when you have overstayed your original visa are very, very low, and that's what I want you to understand. If you want to hire us for an immigrant visa, if you want to hire us for a green card or a marriage-based case or anything, citizenship, asylum, anything like that, feel free to give us a call, 314-961-8200, and email us info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. But don't call us for help with a visit visa. We don't help with appeals, we don't help with denials, we don't help with the original filings of a DS-160 on a visit visa. We just don't do it because there's no real value that we can add, right? There's no real reason to have an immigration lawyer helping you with that. But we'd be happy to help you with those other kinds of cases. If you're just looking for help and free information, you can go to the Immigrant Home Facebook group where we talk about the immigration process every day. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever I make a video like this one, you're the first to know, and you'll get alerted whenever we go live on our Immigration Answers show, which is a show I do 3 or 4 times a week in the Facebook group and on our YouTube channel, in which I answer immigrants' questions for a full hour a couple times a week. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.